Hey kids! Welcome to Fun Learning. In our previous video we learned about pet animals. And today we will talk about farm animals. Farm animals are part of our lives since ancient times as they provide us with many useful things. So let's start with chicken. Chickens are the most common birds on earth. They are kept for their eggs and for their meat all over the world. Hens often live in groups in little houses called chicken coops. Chicken sound is called cluck. Cow. Cows are one of the most popular domesticated animals in many countries around the world. They like to eat plants and grass. Cows get used for various things like dairy, meat, and even leather. They produce 90% of the milk we use. Cow sound is known as moo. Duck. They are most adorable and friendly birds. Ducks eat grain, seeds, nuts, fruit, insects, water plants and even small fish. They live in groups called drafts or teams. Ducks can fly in the air, waddle on land, and they can swim in water. There aren't many animals that can do all that. Duck sound is known as quack. Sheep. Sheep are very intelligent and social animal. Sheep like to stay close to others in a group known as a herd, flock or mob. Sheep like to eat vegetation such as grass. Sheep are raised for a number of agricultural products including fleece and meat. Sheep sound is called baa. Horse. Horses are very social animals and they can recognize humans with their voice. They mostly eat hay and grasses and gather around in groups called herd. Horses are an ideal companion on farms. Large strong horses can help pull carriages and carts. They are also used to transport, travel and sports. Horse sound is called neigh. Turkey. Turkey are famous for Thanksgiving. They are fed nutritious feed, which usually consists of corn and soybean meal mixed with vitamins and supplements. Turkeys make a variety of different sounds such as purrs, gobble, yelps, and kikis. Goat. Goats are cute and cuddly animals, loved by children and adults alike. Goats are domesticated and are very useful to humans. Goats are picky eaters when compared to sheep, cows, and pigs. They are clean animals and tend to avoid eating anything bad. They eat lichens, shrubs, mosses, conifers and available grasses. Goats make the sound baa. Donkey. Donkey is hard-working animal and is used in many countries to carry materials, plow fields and draw up water. The donkey can handle the uneven ground of the mountains better than a horse. Like horses, donkeys eat grains and grass. Donkeys make a loud braying noise that goes on for several seconds. Camel. Camel are great farming animals and deserters can go for weeks without drinking water. They store fat in parts of their bodies known as humps. They are great for traveling in desert areas. They provide us with meat and milk. Camel milk is among the healthiest milk in the world. Camel voice is known as grunt. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care, bye bye.